Mozart's enjoying his Saalbeck. It's interesting, they're a year apart, but Mozart's just about caught up to Misty now in size. Definitely caught up height-wise. His length is not the same. But he's still feeling his oats these days. He likes to chase her around a bit. Good for a chuckle. Well, this isn't very exciting, but I just love them, so I thought I'd share them with you. Bye for now.